Hi everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we are starting our brand new tutorial about Stepn app. In this tutorial we will talk about an app which makes you money just by walking. Not just a discount coupon or something like that. I'm talking about earning crypto by walking. If you want to learn more about that app, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more priceless contents for free. If you are ready, let's start. First things first, when you log into the app, you will need to register with your email address to create your own account. After creating your account, you need an activation code, which is necessary to enter to use the app. Activation codes can be taken from current Stepn users at the moment, but we have a surprise for you. I will give my activation code to you. These activation codes can be used only by one person, so hurry up and use the activation code which you can see on the screen. If this code is already used when you try it, you can click on the social media links of our channel in order to get the new codes. We are sharing Stepn activation codes every day to help you. And the last part, to use the app, you need to open a Solana or BNB chain wallet. But don't worry, these are the easiest parts. App will show you some words which are your seed phrases. You need to write them on a paper and secure it safely, because if you lose your device, you will need these seed phrases to connect your wallet and access your money. When you complete those steps, you will see this screen, which is the main screen. As you can see, I have a shoe NFT in my account. You need a shoe NFT in order to earn crypto by walking. Let me show you how can you buy it. As you can see, there is a shopping cart icon at the bottom right of your screen. When you click on it, the market will be opened and you can search the shoe which you want to find from the filter. When you click on the filter, you can decide the specific attributes in order to find the best shoe for you. Like, I will click on the sneaker, I will click on the walker, and then I will choose common. I want my shoe to be 5 level and 0 shoe mint. I will click on the confirm button, and as you can see, the shoes with the chosen attributes will come to me and you can see the prices. Like, right now, the floor price for the shoes with those attributes are 11.6 Solana. When you click on those shoes, you can see their attributes, efficiency, luck, comfort, resilience. We will talk all about them in the coming videos. In this video, we learn what is Stepn and how to register to it. In the next one, I will tell you which shoes are the best for you, so do not forget to watch the next video. See you for now, goodbye.